Tesla opens opportunity to acquire mining company. Elon Musk has spoken about Tesla's planned acquisition of another company. However, it is not the automotive company that is being targeted. Musk says Tesla is unlikely to acquire another automaker. Instead, he opened up opportunities to acquire mining companies. According to him, buying a mining company, however, is very possible, especially if it helps Tesla secure easier access to important natural resources. For example, nickel. It's not that we want to buy a mining company, but if that's the only way to accelerate the transition to electric vehicles, then that possibility is on the table, he said. As is known, Elon Musk is intensively collaborating with a number of parties to develop his company. He has also opened discussions with the Indonesian government regarding the possibility of cooperation. It should be noted that Indonesia currently has the largest nickel reserves in the world, which is an important component in the manufacture of batteries for electric vehicles. Tesla recently reached an agreement with Brazilian miner Vale to buy the nickel it needs for its batteries.